Hi class, my name is Sade, and the short story that I read is called A Baby by James Joyce. A Baby is about a young boy who stays with his aunt and his uncle, and he has a crush, and his crush is his sister's friend, and he never had the courage to speak to her. And so one day, she spoke to him. Before she spoke to him, though, he was having fantasies about her. He was having thoughts about her. He was having dreams about her. That's what made the story even more interesting, because he was having all these thoughts about her, but he still never had the courage to speak to her. And so she spoke to him, and what she said, you could tell that she had a crush on him too, because she called him love, and she was very nervous when she was talking to him. And what she said to him, she told him about a hangout spot that she wanted to go to, but she wasn't able because she had to go to a match between her brothers. And so he said, okay, well, I'll just bring you something back. And so he waited for that day to come. He was very excited. He told his aunt and his uncle about it. He reminded his uncle numerous times. His uncle knew that he was supposed to give him money so he could go. So the day of the bazaar, the young boy and the aunt waited for the uncle. He got home later than usual. So they were waiting for him, and so when the uncle came, he totally forgot all about the bazaar. And so he was persuading the nephew, oh, well, you shouldn't go anyway. It's 8 o'clock at night. Nobody's out this late. You don't need to go. So he left very mad, and he walked to the train station. He caught the train to the bazaar, and so when he got there, he was observing everything. The author described sections as stalls. So the young boy, he walked through the stalls, observing everything, just, trying to get a feel of what it actually is. And when he was there, he was just thinking to himself, why did I even come here? Like, this is not exciting. This isn't what I thought it was going to be. Nothing I expected it to be. I thought it was going to be fun. This isn't fun at all. And so the message that I feel that the author is giving, the message that the author is giving, even though you may be shy or whatever, you should still build up courage to talk to your crush, because you never know what it can end up being. Because it ended up being what I assumed, that's what it seemed like, that the crush was attracted to the young boy also. She was attracted to him, she had a crush on him, and she never found the courage to speak to him. And I got that vibe because when she was very nervous talking to him. But the young boy, his character, he had different moods. His moods, that's why I really like the short story, because he had different moods. And some of the moods that he had were, he was very curious, he was very anxious, he was very shy, and he was very observing. And what made it so crazy to me, that he was so scared to talk to his crush, but he could talk about anything. He talked about anything. He described every detail of everything. He described a detail of a sidewalk. He described a detail of a tree. He described a detail of the wind. He was there. I really liked his character. And the young girl, she was nervous, and she had a crush on him also. The aunt and the uncle, they were very nice. They were very nice. They were very nice. In the setting, it was on North Richmond Street, and there was a school setting, the train, and the bazaar. And the mood of the story, the short story, I felt like the mood, it was a short romance. That's why I felt it was a romance. And if it was a book, it would have been a fantasy romance. That's why I really liked the story. Thank you.